That was perfect. Oh my god. This guy. Imagine just being like this, and then just bam. You can't see shit.
T-ramp. Let's have a look at T-ramp.
Then you're forced to be here, and then just.
T-ramp bombs. So I can learn it. There's one right there.
Where?
T-ramp. Like 4 T-ramp. It's over at CT where you just smoke.
Why don't you learn jungle? The jungles are. They're always jungle.
Oh, true, yeah.
It's quite. I kind of already knew this one. To me, this is the easiest fuck that ass. Just go on the middle pillar. 1, 2, 3. Middle pillar. Just get in the center of it, and just look at this thing. And literally, like, it's simple as fuck. It's such an easy smoke. That ass.
Yeah, but then I can't. I don't see
Oh, that's such an easy smoke to learn.
It's so good as well, can't I?
Oh my god, knife.
What?
Oh my god, bro.
What?
Oh my fucking god,
Oh my
bro.
God.
That's a. Bro, that's a fucking sapphire. That's a sapphire.
What?
Bro, it's a sapphire.
Andy, what the fuck?
Bro, that's £10,000.
No, Andy, no.
What?
Andy, what?
What the fuck?
Way. No way.
What?